In my previous video, I talked about how you basically need to verify your email address on the Grass Airdrop website if you're mining Grass and you're looking forward to receiving some of the airdrop. Now some of you already did this. We all verified our email, I'm assuming. I did. If you haven't, please do that. Now the new update I have for you is you can now connect your wallet pretty much to your Grass account. This is super easy to do. Some people find it difficult because they try to do it from their mobile phones. I would say do it on your computer, basically the same computer that you're using to mine Grass at the moment. So make sure that you're logged in into the Chrome extension or Firefox extension or any extension you're using to mine Grass, and from there simply visit the Grass website, app.getgrass.io, and please add your wallet so that when the airdrop is being dropped to everyone, you will receive it as well. I was able to connect my Solana wallet easily. It took like 5 minutes to get this done. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is make sure that you already have a Solana wallet. It could be on Phantom or Soulflare. Mine is on Phantom. I just connected my my wallet via the Phantom Chrome extension, and it just connected in like 2 minutes. It didn't take time at all. So this is super easy to do. It's pretty much the same way you would connect your wallet to anything or any website. So please don't forget to verify your wallet address, connect it. It takes only a couple of minutes and you're good to go. So again, verify your email, connect your wallet address, you confirm your email address after connecting your wallet. It takes just a couple of minutes and you're good to go. That's the update I have for you guys. The Grass airdrop is coming soon, so please be ready. Please have everything set. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel in case you're looking forward to more updates about this. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you around. Bye.